Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I will be sharing with you this makeup look. Due to the current COVID situation, many companies are offering work from home option, and even the teachers that taking online classes. So if you are a IT professional or you are working for a company which has given you work from home option, and if you are a teacher, in that case also you'll be taking if you're taking online classes and all. So I thought of coming up with a makeup look that you can definitely wear, and you can take your video calls, and you can also take your online classes if you are a teacher. So this look is a very versatile yet easy makeup look. It will take much less time. So as I'll be explaining you this look in this video, so it has become little bit lengthy, but if you're doing the makeup on your own, it will take much less time, and you can achieve this look within some 5 to 10 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, not more than that. This is very easy to achieve, and definitely according to your preference you can also skip some of the steps. So I hope this video is really helpful to you all. If you like this makeup look, then please guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell next to it, so that you'll get notified whenever I upload my videos. And please give it a big thumbs up, press the like button as well, and please do share with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So if you're prepping your skin well before applying makeup, your makeup will also look very flawless and beautiful, and your skin will also not get affected due to the chemicals that that makeup has. So first I washed my face using this face wash, Aroma Magic Grapefruit face wash. So after that I have used this toner. This is Alps Goodness Amba Haldi toner, and I love this toner and I highly recommend to you all. So next I have used this face cream. This is Alps Goodness Sandalwood face cream, and this is very good for oily skin. Next product that I'll be using is this one. This is VLCC Glam Glow Skin Perfector Ivory Tinted SPF 30 PA Triple Plus. So this product I'm using as a primer, and it is working really well. So if you want a separate review about this product, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely do it for you. And I'm going to apply here. You can also apply any gel, like Good Vibes gels are also very good. You can use them on your face as a primer, or aloe vera gel also you can use. So if you have big pores on your face, in that case you need to apply a very good pore filling primer. And the place at which I am staying, it's very humid, and it's very hot, so I don't prefer to use any foundation. So right now I'll be using this product. This is Pond's BB cream, and I'm in the set 01 original, and I just love to use this particular BB cream. It gives very good coverage, and it's very lightweight, and it's good for summers. And I usually prefer blending this product with my fingers only, because it blends really well with fingers as it's a cream product. And I'll be using all affordable products in this video. There'll be I don't think there's any product which is above rupees 300. Everything is under 300 only. And for this product you'll be getting small tube as well, so you'll be getting within rupees 300. So next I'm going to apply this Lakme whitening rose powder on my face to set my makeup well. And in summers I usually prefer loose powders, because they usually give a more they mattify our face really well, and the makeup is long lasting, and it is also sweat proof. You will not get much sweat on your face if you apply any loose powder. And it also gives a very lightweight feeling on face. You will not be getting that heavy cakey feeling on your face. So that's what I love. And this powder is white in color, as you can see, and this is good for fair to medium skin tones. So next I'll be filling my brows, and I've zoomed in a little bit so that you can see my eye makeup. So I'm going to use this pencil. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm in the shade deep brown. So this pencil is really good. So if you don't have much time, so then immediately you can use this pencil and fill your eyebrows. If you're having a fuller looking eyebrows, you need not fill. But as you can see, I have thin hair on my eyebrows, so I definitely need to fill my eyebrows. This pencil is also very affordable. You will get this within rupees 100. So along with this pencil I've got this pulley on this side, so I'll be combing my eyebrows and setting them well. So now I'm going to contour my face a little bit because I've got a chubby face. So in my case I usually take some time to contour my face. It looks really good, and my nose is also fat. So if you have a face like me, so if you have chubby face and double chin and for a little bit fat nose, then in that case definitely you should do contouring a little bit. It will look good and it will not take much time. So I'm using this palette from Swiss Beauty, and this product I have already reviewed on my channel. So if you want to buy this product, then please do check it out. And this product is really very good, very affordable, and I love using this palette. So from this I'll be taking this brown shade, this contour shade, and I'm going to contour my face a little bit. I'll be contouring hollows of my cheeks. If you are having a double chin like me, then definitely you should contour your jawline. If you want, you can apply a little bit of blush as well. So definitely I also prefer to apply a little bit of blush. I'll be applying on the apple of my cheeks, and I'll be lifting this a little bit up. It will give a good look actually. And I'll be applying a little bit on my chin and my nose, very little. So if you want, you can skip highlighter, but highlighter gives a very good natural sort of glow on face. So usually I also prefer highlighting my face a little bit. So I'll be taking the same shade from this palette, this one. This is a very this highlighter is not very pigmented, so definitely you'll be getting a very good subtle glow. It will not be blinding and dramatic. So I'll be applying a little bit. So you can see the difference, this side and this side. So I'll be applying this much only, I'll not apply more. Also I'll be applying on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin. Now I'm moving to eyes. So for eyes I'll be taking this brown shade, and I'll be applying on the on my lids. It will give a little bit of depth, and I'll be taking this shade towards my above my crease as well, little bit, and I'll be blending it below my lash line as well, little bit. So I'll be using this brush. You can see it's a flat shader brush, and I'm going to pick up this black shade a little bit, this black shade over here, and I'll be using it here on my lash line, close to my lash line, like this, like a liner. So if you want, you can skip this step, but it will look really pretty, so I am doing this. So that's it. I'm going to do this much only. Then I'm going to apply a kajal, and for my kajal I'm going to use Stay Keep Kajal, Badass Kajal in the shade black, and I'm going to waterline and tightline as well. You can also smudge a little bit with the same side that I used for my upper lash line. After that I'll be using this mascara. This is Essence Lash Princess Falsies mascara, and this is a very good mascara. I've tried it recently, and it gives a very good volume to your lash, and it coats really well. Everything is good about this mascara. I just highly recommend this, and I'm going to coat my lashes. So you can see the difference between this lash and this lash. It has literally given me a falsies look. You can see how my natural lashes are looking right now. I just love, I'm in love with this mascara, and I definitely recommend to you all. Please guys, buy this mascara, and this is available on Flipkart right now on a very good discount. So I'll also coat a little bit on my lower lash line. So now I'm going to apply this lipstick, and I've done complete review and swatches of these lipsticks. These are Biotique Magicolor lipsticks. So if you want to buy this lipstick, then definitely go ahead and check that video. I'll link that. I'll share the link in the description box. These lipsticks are creamy matte, very comfortable on lips, and very budget friendly. And this is a very good set. This is a nude set. This is Cookie Crumble. Just dab a little bit on my lips. So this is my final completed look.